Yeah, I was thinking about doing a project, and let me know what you guys think about this. I was thinking about doing a project under my business where I create a blockchain system, a cloud-based blockchain system. One, to learn more about blockchain and to also get some hands-on experience with cloud. The project, I would get a cloud-based person, like somebody who has AWS, to help me out. And then what we do is we stand up a server, an actual server that we're using on the blockchain to get some Web3 experience, right? We could put it on our resume because I put it under my business. And it actually be running some kind of cryptography, some kind of crypto or something like that. Something would be at stake on that thing. It'd be a node. We'd put a node on the blockchain and we'd run it, and then we'd protect it. And then what we could do is we could run NIST 800 on it. Like, we do scans on it, we do assessments, we do the preparation stage all the way to ongoing. And then I could actually have people join me, and then we'd have people get experience. Anybody who would actually join in the project, they'd get experience on doing cloud stuff. They'd get experience on doing blockchain stuff, and then they'd get experience on NIST 800 because we'd run NIST 800 on it. Like, we'd have a policy on it. We'd have procedures on how to update the software. We'd have procedures on how to check for malware if we could. We'd have all the documentation piece will be there, and then we'd all have all the procedures. Like, we'd have scanning, we'd have ongoing checks and all that kind of stuff. And it would be something that it would be useful because we'd actually put money on it. It'd be like a tiny little bank with, like, I don't know, $100 on it or something like that. What do you guys think about that? A project where you could actually put experience. You could say, hey, I stood up a Web3 node on the blockchain. I know blockchain technology. I'm familiar with it. I've actually had hands-on with it. And then you could say, yeah, we stood up a AWS, and then what we could do is tear it down and put it back up again. We could create a node, tear it down, and put it back up again, like a whole bunch of times till all of us got experience with it. Just tear it down, put it up again. Tear it down, put it up again. And then once it was finalized, we had a production level system and a testing system. The testing system, that's the one we just continuously mess around with. Beat it to death, mess with it, tear it down, put it up again, have projects on it, stuff like that. The other one is production level. It has literal money on it and everything. That would be kind of cool. It would be something that we could all learn together. I'd get me some experience on both doing the actual cloud stuff and doing blockchain. Just some project I've been thinking about doing.